Want to make 50K, 80K as a social media strategist? This free diploma changes everything. Listen up. Social media marketing is a $200 billion industry, and companies are desperately hiring strategists right now. But here's the problem. Most people have no idea where to start. What if I told you that you could master this skill completely free? Introducing the Diploma in Social Media Strategy from Dreamsoft Technologies Canada, your gateway to a high-paying career. Here's what you'll master in this free online diploma. Limited seats available. So enroll now. Link in description. 1. Market analysis and customer targeting. 2. Platform selection strategies. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, X. 3. Content creation that converts. 4. Google Analytics and social listening tools. 5. Campaign launches that go viral. 6. WordPress, advertising and marketing management. This isn't just theory. You'll learn real strategies that top brands use daily. Imagine working remotely, creating content for major brands and earning a premium income. Whether you're a student, career changer, or entrepreneur, this diploma gives you the competitive edge. From market research to launching campaigns, you'll learn everything to become job-ready. But wait, this course is 100% free, but enrollment is limited. Spots fill fast, and this opportunity won't last forever. Click the link in the description now to enroll free today. Don't let this pass you by. Your social media career starts right now. Hit subscribe for more free courses and career tips. We also have updated new jobs on our blog.